And highest quality products means less number of products, means less number of quantity, less number of quantity will be there. The compromising between the cost and the quality is if you want to reduce them, there are different products in the market, but your cost is means more in that market, so you have to go for that somewhat like a compromising between the cost and the quality, so that you can increase your productivity. That category will comes under compromised between the cost and the quality. And another one is safety. Safety related means hospital, it means like their like injection syringes or cottons, whatever you are using, it is like there is no compromise between the quality. So you have to, whatever the quality requirements are there, you have to fulfill that requirement. This is what comes under safety category of the safety. So selection of the profitable like flow chart. I will show you that one for your reference. So here you are getting that idea and coming into reality, and after that specification and product process, customer expectations and analysis. In the analysis part, you are I mean, different type of analysis means like a SWOT analysis, like what is the strength, what is the weaknesses, what is the opportunities and threats. So this will make you the aware of what type of product we need to introduce into the market, so that you will get a exact means what type of product we need to introduce into the market, so that you will get a correct design product. So, so these are the some of the. So while challenges are in the selecting the product, like characteristics, what type of if you are going for the completely new products, what is the characteristic of the products, and what is the application you are going to use this product, means where you are going to you introduce this product, and whether it can be application, it is multiple application or not. Say something like mobile phone, it is like you can use for the calling or lifting purpose, or taking the photo or sending the email. It's a different applications how we are going for that one, and what are the advantages you are getting from for the same product. One product you can use for the different that will be more people will be preferred to buy that type of product. So, and with that product, what are the limitations, expectations? So these are the different challenges where we are facing at the time of developing a new product. So just I will show you one video for you, so that you will be just aware of that one and make you aware. So how that new product starts from the from college to the industry. So, are you able to see the video, right? Correct, no?
Yes.
This is IIT Mumbai.
Maybe the audio is not coming. Maybe you can explain once that audio comes. You can give the explanation, whatever is there in that.
Video is not audible.
Yeah.
So they're designing one product like there are for the water bottle. So uh, and or else you can use in
You can increase the volume.
increase the volume.
Yes.
Are you able to hear?
Yeah, still the volume is slightly, if you could, is it possible to increase the volume in the video itself, video, and also in the system? Yeah, yeah, still increase to the maximum. You increase to the maximum, 100%, 100%. Yeah, yeah. Now you can do it. Yeah.
I wanted to design something new for the urban kitchen, within the lifestyle of the people. First, initially I explored with this small mock-up models, and then I explored all these models. This is the final model I came up with. The feature that I'm having this spot is that of pouring it easily. Yeah, design, you need to explore a lot. You can just come into a concept and finalize it. You need to look into the problem and go on exploring. That way, you'll be able to know what your mind functions are. Gradually, you'll be able to untie it and come out with much better solution. While working through the forms, I was previously blocked into the conventional form of the bucket, that is the cylindrical form. My guide actually guided me that I should come out of that block. That the bucket or a water holding device should be only a cylindrical form. It can be a square form. I decided to work mainly on a square bucket and that too solving the transporting and design. I had made various models. This is the 1:1 scale model. This is my final model. It's a 1:1 scale model. It invites the user to tilt the bucket while carrying it. I can drag this bucket, which eases out my important experience was that what I thought my product would be wasn't. It is not the way I thought previously. Secondly, when I came out of the block of this cylindrical form and what product already exists in the market, but we can actually innovate or think of something else. That transition was a very, very different feeling that I.
I fixed my product from a toy on an ant because I found it's an interesting form and it's been used quite a lot in animation movies, so it can be animated. Ant moves, the back goes up and the face goes up, and it makes a sound tick 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 tick. So that's why I named my ant as Tick Tick Chinty. Chinty is in India we call an ant as Chinty. So and plus it's Chinty because Chintu is like something we associate to like little children are generally named as Chintu. Biggest hurdle for me was the mechanism and how it will work. I like dealing with a lot of materials, wood as a material, and painting it. That was like hectic but a lot of fun. And the fact that I start learning about mechanics. Overall, the experience was great.
This is also similar type of product.
It got a criticism. So in my concept, there was some opening of two shops and
This
uh,
this
drag
is
and go, give the sinusoidal wave motion. But all these explorations, like coming to this level, like all these explorations had like there is a roughness in the dragon, there is a crudeness in the dragon. That is where I had
this is
problem we which was given to us is an MPG reading lab. I had chosen a target group for evolving and the form. You have to come up with a lot of explorative sketches. Like, it's like not enough. It's not enough. Whatever you're doing, it's like already there, already seen. So you have to come up with something very new and catchy, and like something never seen. So coming up with the concept was a tough thing.
Specific area was executive engineering. Basically, explorations are related to form and executiveness should be there. I was not able to understand this form language. I did some 15 explorations. It was difficult for me, but with, while doing this thing, I understood, like, got introduced to how you have to decode the language, how that character should be included in the product. My final product.
Okay. Uh, these are the some of the product design processes, like different products, so that the to attract the customer, and to make the more applications, and so like how useful it is. Means if you are developing a product, so whether how much useful to the customer, that is what we need to keep in the mind, and we need to develop a product. Say something like I just showed this in the picture. Say there is an idea into some different design concept, and it will be like a product, final product. So something like just this is something like it is linked to everything, whatever means it is linked to, okay, one thing, and after that next related to, okay. So we need to find one customer, and like focus the customer whom we need to focus, so that from there what is this requirement, means everything is linked to that one. This is I just framed it like a story kind of thing. You might have heard about this is a seven fish story, and like story say goes like this, like one king having a seven sons, and seven princes went to the lake, and they catch seven fishes, and they try to dry it. In that, one fish didn't dry, and why it is not dried means that hay is there, and why hay is there means that cow didn't taken the hay, and why cow is not taken. Like that story comes and end with that ant biting that boy. This is what the story is like everything is connected to the one product, why this product came. So there are so many links will be there, so that's what I just displayed in this picture. So I'm just going back to that product design again. So idea, there are so many ideas. We'll be collecting collectively get all the ideas, and in that which one is the reality, what is that reality in that one, what we can convert into reality, that that list out some of that data. And after that, in that which in that reality, how what my specification should be. So what is the size of that one, what is, say, want to design a stapler pin, stapler, so that how much, what is that my requirement, how much is this handy, what size should be, so that I can be easily handle, and easily staple my papers or bunch of papers. So how much, what is the requirement, how whether I need to bunch of only 5 papers or 50 papers. So based upon that, is stapler specification will change, and what is the product and the customer is expectations, what is the product process, how much time it will take to develop a product, or what is that customer is expectation. It should not take longer time, and at the appropriate time you need to design a product, otherwise it will be, the product will go on waste. You have some of example like a nano car. So the product is a good product, but the it is launched at the wrong time. So and analysis. Analysis means where, what is, who is the target customer, and how many products you are going to mix. That is what analysis says. And product dimension and tolerances. This is like how, what quality of the product you are going to give, and what type, means based upon the influence on the tolerance dimensions which influence the customer. So objective of the product design is to ensure the growth of the organization, to the meet the new requirement of the customer, to utilize the surplus capacity of the organization, such as physical facilities, manpower, etc. So this is the one more the hurdle which you need to handle it while developing a product. Means so my product, I am developing a one product, and which should be manufacturing easy to manufacture, easy to uh, transport, or easy to convince the people. This is what physical facilities and manpower, etc. This is the condition. And to utilize the surplus fund of the organization. So that is one of the things. And to increase the company's marketing share, and to target a new market segment. So you are expanding the market share and business, so that more number of products you are developing means more the company's market share will be there. So that this is the objective. So that is the reason the companies will go for the more product development. Features of the good product design, say good product design should be functionality. So what is the purpose of that product? That purpose is serving or not, that is what the functionality says. So whether that is fulfilling the requirement, what your expectation. So you saw some of the videos in the videos, some of the students have shown their products. Say something like I want to take my purpose is to light, means that lamp. You say example as a lamp, table lamp. The table lamp purpose is to give the lamp. One is the lighting, basic thing is immunity, basic is the light, and another thing is focus only as the single person. If it is light is coming to the entire room, so if some other person is sleeping or something like it is private individually want a light. So if it is displaying, means it is more feature, but functionally it is not working. Means that should be functionally, what is the purpose of the function that has to fulfill. That is what the functionality. And reliability means how much time it is required to run. It's like my bulb or light means it has to be some time. Says it has to be run for 1 year or 2 years. So that much time it is, whether it is the bulb is glowing or not. This is what that reliability says. And productivity. So what is that? How much you are putting that effort, and the productivity is coming, and the quality of the product, and standardization. And another one is maintainability, easy to maintain that product. These are the features which are the important, while keeping the cost also into the mind. Why? Because if the cost of the product is high with respect to the product, it means that the customer will not go for the product. Means even though there is a, it is even though cost, means it is not like every time costly or every time cheaper, but it is like a compromise between the value versus cost. It is a par or not. Hello, your voice is
Yes, yes, yeah.
okay. And concept of product development, these are the where your concept will start. Research and development, And research and development, where that product, what are the products are there, and how that different product means that what we need to develop. Currently it is, if it is currently it is completely it is not there, or completely new product you are going to develop, or existing product you are modifying to the means new thing. That is what means that will be done in the research and development literature survey. This is what it will start in the case. Reverse engineering means already a product is already available, and you are going with that product, and in the cab, and you are want to develop a that product means, exact means whatever improved version. This is what in the reverse engineering will happen, and after that CAD can, and after that the concurrent engineering will happen. Concurrent engineering is like whether the all the DVPs, whatever DVP is, all the things will happen in the CAD. So these are the steps involved in the product design steps, like synthesis, sketching, analyzing, selection, basic engineering, detailed design. So after detailed design, up to now, the up to these steps we just continuously we are discussing now. And after that, we are going for the prototype. So once that detailed design is happened, it will be converted into prototype. So that prototype parts will be design verified whether it is okay or not. The product is okay or not. And after that, it will be, once it is finalized and it is confirmed that it is fulfilled the requirement of the customer requirement, then it will go for manufacturing and operation and product. This is what the product design steps is. So we can refer that source where we can see the more design and manufacturing related topics, the steps involved. So here the product analysis, like there are different product analysis aspects, like market aspects, like customer needs. What is the need of there is a need, and then there is a difference between the need and wants. So this is a basic whatever then things is need, and whatever the luxuries things, that is a want. So how many people are going into this category? How many? Based upon that, the product has to be, portfolio should be there. We can verify that. It's like if you see that Mahindra has a different product portfolio, say something like Bolero is there, someone will go for the Scorpio, someone will go for XUV. So that someone will go for the like basic requirements. Say I need a vehicle, something like they will be buying that whatever that vehicle is available in the its lowest cost, or whatever fulfill the requirements. Say something like I am going, means where you are going, whether you are going on the plain road, or whether you are going in the hilly, or non on off road conditions. So that based upon the customer needs, they will buy. That is the what one is the customer need. Customer wants means some people, some customers are aspire to buy that product. So I want to buy a BMW. That is that is a customer wants that one, means that product. If you say that one is you will be prestige. That type of, that is what customer wants. And customer segment, that where that the condition. So whether you are going to take the, say something like a milk or something else, the requirements based. This is segment based. And customer spending pattern means how they are spending. Based upon that spending pattern, there are more number of portfolio. If you see in the Mahindra itself, product itself, there are so many XUVs are there. So many utility vehicles are there with a range of 1 lakh difference. 1 lakh difference. There is a different vehicles are there. So based upon the spending pattern and how much able to the customer able to put up in that one. So based upon that, there are the different marketing aspects, different customer aspects. There are different product will be available, so that every product will be having some of the marketing. Okay. And another one is a product characteristics, like functional aspect, operational aspect, durability, and dependency aspect, aesthetic aspect. This functional that different customer will be seeing in a different aspect while buying a vehicle. Say my vehicle should run from here to say something like Kanyakumari to Chennai without. It's like I am regularly going from here to here, so I need to go, and my vehicle has to run for 3 lakh kilometers or 3 lakh kilometers without any problem. Some customers will be like operational aspect. My vehicle should be easily operated, and I should not have feel something like uh, discomfort in while driving. Is this condition some customer will be seeing. And the durability and dependency aspects means like so my vehicle should not get breakdown for so many kilometers also. Like if something like if customer want to buy a truck, so I want to go from the Kanyakumari to Kashmir without any problem. Say something like 40,000 kilometers, I should not change my filter, I should not change my oil. This is something like so this in that point some customers will say this is what that different aspects of the customer, different products will be developed. So this is what one product characteristics, different aspects of the uh, product. And economical analysis, the profit considerations, the effort of standardization and simplification, and the specification, the break-even analysis. So some customers like some of the customers say something like they are egg sellers, egg sellers. They want to go for the vehicle, so they want to get the profit whatever they are selling that one. There's something like they will be taking Mahindra Alpha, some vehicle will be there. So what their expectation is, whatever I am selling, and whether how much it is getting back, and how much that vehicle is going. That is what their expectation. The profit they can means they will be counting everything, but we need to ensure that the vehicle should not fail with means why, because that is the economic situation of that person who is buying that one. And how much time, say how many years I can uh, spend, so that how many years I can travel in this vehicle, so that I can get the break even. So that based upon that, they will go for that type of product. So the like there is like the vehicle cost of the vehicle is say something like example 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs, this is the volume of eggs I'm taking from that what you call farm to these different shops. So how much profit it is getting per day, and how much fuel economy it is getting per day. This is what the uh, customer will calculate and analyze it and buy that product. So this is they will compare like that, and they will go for when I can go for the break even. So this is what the different customer aspect. This is the economical aspect. You see. And production aspects, say some customers will go like how it will be. So my product means how many there are so many vehicles sold out of the sold, so that which is more reliable, and which is the known thing will buy it like that. Means some people will go for that in that production aspect point of view. And another thing is one more product aspect is something like okay, So this product I am used to buy from that some customers, some company. So every time I used to buy from the same company. That is one more product aspect. Means like I am reliable of this company which is product selling the product. So this type of aspects will be there in the production aspect. These are the different product analysis point of view. You see, this is out of box, means out from the design what you're doing. So these are the points you need to remember while designing the product so that they can ship. So something like if you remember something before 2020, before 2000s, you have more fixed towards the Nokia phone. So no one will try to come from okay Nokia from any phone is launched. Again, people used to buy that same phone. The people that Samsung came after that me came. This make the product divert and like the new product come into the pictures. And organizations are required to design the new product for the following reasons, like design plays major role in influencing the price, quality, and cycle time. So PLC helps the firms to identify when a product needs to support a redesign or withdraw. So another thing is product design and development steps, and product analysis in the market aspects, and product characteristics, economic analysis. Product. This is what we are discussing. Thank you all for listening.